Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to print lessons if you are a teacher. Printing lessons is great if you teach in class. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, click Materials in the top banner and click Lessons from the drop-down menu. Choose a category that piques your interest, and then choose a lesson. From the lesson overview page, click the Open PDF button. If you have chosen a lesson that doesn't have the Open PDF button, this means that this lesson is digital only. The majority of our lessons come with PDF versions, however, there are some that do not. Any lessons in our That's News to Me category are only digital. If you have any requests for PDF versions of a lesson that aren't in the That's News to Me category, you can write in to us. Back to the lesson overview page, once you've clicked Open PDF, the PDF will appear. In the top right, choose the version you'd like to access, as well as if you'd like to print the teacher or the student version. The teacher version will come with the answer key and any supplementary materials. Once that is all set, you can click the print icon in the top right corner. From here, make sure all of your settings are to your liking, adjust the printer, how many pages you'd like, and the color. And once you're ready, click the print button. Any lesson or resource with an open PDF button can be printed from the site. So if you find yourself in our resources category, you can go ahead and print any resource the same way you would print a lesson. That is it for this video on how to print lessons. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.